Hello everyone, this is a JVC Roku TV model number LT-50MAW705. Is our neighbor brought it in to check because it has no power, so we'll plug it to the power. We have no standby light over there. Pushing the power button, the TV is not responding because there is no standby. So first thing we need is the standby. That light, sometimes it could be like the light is bad itself. I just hurt my. So sometimes the light itself is bad, but there is a standby. So you need to check the standby from the power board to be sure. All right, let's check it apart. Yep, just visual checking the TV, and I start seeing some rust here. You see that, like a water drips over there. See some rust. See around this transformer. Yeah, there is some sign of water damage. Let's bring the multimeter and we'll look. So here it's marked like we have 12 volt ground, 5 volt, then 5 volt standby. See, 12 volt ground, 5 volt, 5 volt standby is a difference. Then on off signal from the main board, the backlight on and backlight adjustment. At the moment we need the 5 volt standby. Like this one, it has 5 volt standby. Because does it work with the 12 volt? No, because I don't see the wire and the 5 volt is missing. Yeah, the 5 volt is here. It's nothing over there. So there is no voltage. And let's check the voltage in the big capacitor. 0 volt. Yeah, this big capacitor. This big capacitor here, we should have like 100 and about 160 volt. Yeah, this is a standby transformer, the other voltage transformer, and I think this is step up. Yeah, look like maybe it's a step up transformer. Anyway, let's check the board and we'll check it. So yeah, let's check some. We have fuse right here. Yep, the fuse is open. And the fuse is right here. Yeah, the fuse is open. Okay, why the fuse is open? And that's what we're gonna figure out. Yeah, this is the standby section right here. The transformer will run with this MOSFET, the switching MOSFET, and this is the switching IC. The right IC is here. For the other voltages, we have this big MOSFET, and we have the switching IC right here. This is the step up MOSFET and connected to this transformer or to this coil. For the step up, they use this coil. Let's check this MOSFET if any short in it. Yep, there is no short. And the step up MOSFET. Yeah, we have a short right here. Yep, we have the short in the input. The short of it shows in the rectify bridge. So, do we have a short here? Yeah, we have short. So this rust is become conductive. So let's watch the oscilloscope. All right, after 1 week waiting for the part, let's finish this TV. So after I replace this MOSFET was shorted, and they replace it, and yeah, the shorted MOSFET, it was like the short between the source and the gate. That's mean the high voltage it's go to the IC, because the gate is connected to the IC, to the switching IC. So I replace the MOSFET. This is a backlight circuit. This transformer, this IC, switching IC, and here is 2 diodes here. The TV turns on, and the backlight went on for 1 second, then goes off. The MOSFET is burned again. I was about to search for the IC, MOSFET, and maybe the R2 coupler, when I find out there is a similar board for like about $7-8, the whole board. That's include the shipping. But this is the difference. This board, it has this plug. This one, it have this plug. The boards with the replacement board with this plug, it costs about like $20-30. All right, let's test this one and we go from it. Yeah, is that the board is similar of everything. The component, the missing component, everything looks the same. The connectors are the same, backlight and the main board connector. And we are going to use this cord. You can see this is the hole for the EC plug, and can we do this one? No. So let's test the TV first. Then we'll figure out what you're gonna do for the plug. Yeah, it will fit. Yeah, we don't need to do any modification in the board. Alright, yeah, we have the standby light. So if we press the power button, you can see the backlight. Yeah, you can see the backlight over there. Alright, let's see how is the picture.
Her name is Dental Digest.
Yeah, the picture looks good. Backlight. So no, there is no damage. Like there is no water damage on the screen as well. Yeah, this is the newer TV. You can see the edge of the screen. There is nothing over it. Alright, so now we have to put the TV together and give it back to the customer. So if you ask why I don't take the component from this board and put it in that board, so the other board it had water damage before. There is corrosion and and it's not a good idea to transfer the component. Plus, you know, the customer wants to pay the minimum for the TV. That's why we go for this solution. These ones are locked, so we need to bend them a little bit. All right. Okay.
Got you. People are trying to get me. And of course, SOSfix won't get me.
No, it's good. So, done putting the TV together, and this is all for the video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.